Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the Zoom application if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see multiple options such as creating a new meeting, joining an existing meeting. In the upper lower corner you can see you can check your mail, calendar and so on. So guys, if you want to schedule a meeting, it's very easy and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Right under here, under the new meeting icon where you can create a new meeting, there is an option called schedule and you want to go ahead and click that option right here. Clicking on schedule guys, you can see that this now opens up a new window where we have the ability to schedule a meeting. Here you can see you can give it the topic name. Let's say it stays the same. This is the Zoom meeting. We want to select when is the starting date. You can select it from the calendar at what time. You can select how long it will be the duration. You can select any duration you want. You can select multiple options such as time zone, security. If there is a password, you can select if the video is on and so on guys. After that you have advanced options that you can use to edit even more options about your meeting, and after you have successfully clicked everything you need and entered every info that you need, then you can go ahead and click this blue option right here called save, and this will successfully schedule the meeting and save the meeting for yourself. Here you can create a new profile. Let's say it's just a profile name tutorials. And now after that guys, you can see don't mind this guy, this is the Microsoft Outlook. Then you'll be able to schedule your meeting if you're connected to Outlook. So guys, you can see here is the scheduled meeting and that's how you do it. That's how you schedule a meeting. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.